Once upon a time, a lazy man tried to steal some apples, but a farmer saw him and started yelling. The lazy man got scared and ran into the forest. After a while, he saw an old wolf. The man wondered how the wolf could survive, being that old and not able to feed himself. Suddenly, he saw a lion coming towards the wolf with a piece of meat. The lazy man climbed up a tree to stay safe. But the wolf, too old to escape, stayed. The lion left the piece of meat for the wolf to eat. The lazy man felt happy seeing God's play. God always has a plan set to take care of his creations. He believed that God must have something planned for him too. So he left to find a place to sit and waited for someone to feed him. He waited there for 2 days without any food. Finally, he couldn't bear the hunger and left. He met a wise man on the way. He asked him why God treated him different from the wolf. The wise man answered, "It's true that God has a plan for everyone. You are obviously a part of his plan, but son, he didn't want you to be like the wolf. He wanted you to be like the lion."